Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best brew clean is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of homebrewing. Creating a consistently high-quality product relies heavily on maintaining a sanitary brewing environment. From preventing off flavors and infections to ensuring the safety of your final product, proper cleaning and sanitation are paramount, impacting everything from the fermentation process to the longevity of your equipment. This video will guide you through the essential steps and best practices to keep your homebrewing setup sparkling clean and ready for your next batch. Number 5. Kegco Deluxe Hand Pump Kit. Say goodbye to messy keg cleaning. This kit makes cleaning your beer lines a breeze, no need to remove your faucet. It connects directly to your beer line for easy access. Just attach and pump to get sparkling clean lines. With its 1 2-gallon high-pressure cleaning bottle, it ensures thorough cleaning. It's powerful enough to clean even your faucet. This kit comes with a 32-ounce bottle of alkaline beer line cleaner. Everything you need for a professional clean is included. It pressurizes from the bottom up, guaranteeing a complete clean of your entire system. No more hidden grime. Ideal for homebrewing enthusiasts. Keep your beer tasting its best with this easy-to-use cleaning kit. What we like. It connects directly to your beer line, so no need to remove your faucet. This high-pressure cleaning bottle ensures thorough cleaning. If you value convenience and a powerful clean, this is the kit for you. What people say. This pump did a fantastic job and my beer lines got a good cleaning. The instructions are great. Once you do it the first time, it is super easy to remember and the next time will be a cakewalk. This is a cleverly designed system. Simply attach the keg line to the hand pump. Mix the solution with water. Pump up the container and simply open the tap and flush the line. During the cleaning solution as it's coming out of the tap, use the included brush and do a quick clean of the tap. It works well as the solution is flowing, it gives the tap a good cleaning. The beer lines and components get really clean. Cleaning is only like 15 to 20 minutes and I do it after every keg kicks. Number 4. 5-star PBW Cleaning Tablets. Cleaning has never been easier. Simply use 1 tablet for every 32 ounces of water for a sparkling clean. Say goodbye to tough organic stains. It's a non-caustic, alkaline-based cleaner that tackles even the most stubborn messes. It's perfect for various equipment. From carboys and kettles to growlers, kegs, and spray bottles, it cleans them all with ease. It works wonders in both low and high temperatures, ensuring consistent cleaning power no matter the conditions. Specifically formulated for brewing, it boasts robust cleaning capabilities in hard and soft water, delivering consistent results. Experience the ultimate cleaning solution for all your brewing equipment. It's efficient, versatile, and delivers exceptional results every time. What we like. It features easy dosing for simple cleaning. This cleaner tackles stubborn stains effectively. If you need a versatile, easy-to-use cleaner for various brewing equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. Wonderful and effective product for sterilizing your homebrew supplies. It does what it says and leaves your products, your containers, your supplies that have stuck on nasties clean with ease. I used this on a couple of thermos jugs that I had previously tried to clean with soap and scrubbing. After one soaking with the tablet in hot water, the first thermos cleaned up like new. The second thermos cleaned up a lot after one tablet but not completely, so I did a second tablet treatment. The result was amazing. What had been a black coating of residue prior to the cleaning came out shining like new. Chunks of the caked-on residue fell out during the rinse. This stuff is great. I wish I would have taken before and after pictures. This product is amazing. I used it on an old original Stanley thermos that is 50 years old and the inside looks like it is brand new now. Incredible. I tried everything over the years to clean this thermos, but nothing worked. It had gotten to the point that it was getting a musty smell no matter how much I tried cleaning it. I heated water on the stove, dropped in 2 PWB tablets, poured in the water, let it sit for 1 hour, and could not believe the gunk that poured out of my thermos. I also had a Yeti coffee mug that after years of use was just permanently black inside no matter what I tried. I dropped in 1 tablet, poured in the heated water, let it sit for an HR with the lid on and it literally looks like I just purchased the mug. Number 3. 5-star 6022B Star San. This is 5-star 6022B Star San, a high-foaming sanitizer that's effective and easy to use. It's perfect for keeping your equipment clean and sanitary. Its self-foaming formula helps it penetrate cracks and crevices, ensuring thorough cleaning. No need for scrubbing. This sanitizer is designed to be no rinse, saving you time and effort. Just use it at the recommended dilution. It's odorless, flavorless, and biodegradable, making it a safe choice for you and the environment. It won't harm septic systems either. It also helps reduce water spotting, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. It's the perfect all-around sanitizer. Simply follow the dilution instructions for best results. Enjoy a sparkling clean and sanitized surface every time. What we like. It's a high-foaming sanitizer that's easy to use and requires no rinsing. It's odorless and biodegradable. If you prioritize convenience and a residue-free clean, this is the sanitizer for you. What people say. Good stuff. Use it for everything from canning jars to wine carboys. Cider fermenting buckets never had a contamination issue. I homegrown 1-gallon batches of mead, so I make 5 gallons of sanitizer at a time. This jug is enough sanitizer to make more batches than I will probably ever have. It's easy to just take a small amount, add it to a bunch of water and start dipping stuff or wiping it on surfaces. The foam is nothing to worry about, it's all part of the process. No wash after use. Have used for brewing and no slowdown of fermentation. Sanitation is key when brewing kombucha, and also seed sprouting. Dishwashers do not get large jars sanitized enough. Use every time I brew the tea or start sprouts. I spray pre-mixed Star San in the jars and have not had an issue with a bad brew or grow since I started using it. Number 2. 5-star PBW Cleaner. It's an alkaline, non-caustic cleaner that's tough on dirt but gentle on the environment and you. It's the perfect choice for a wide variety of cleaning needs. It effortlessly tackles even the most stubborn, caked-on organic soils. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to sparkling clean surfaces. This cleaner is a safe and effective alternative to harsh caustic soda cleaners. It's a much kinder choice for your home and the planet. It easily cleans hard-to-reach areas. Simply soak and rinse for a spotless result, no scrubbing required. It's gentle on your skin and safe for use on a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, rubber, soft metals, and plastics. Experience the power and convenience of 5-star PBW. It's the smart, safe, and effective cleaning solution you've been waiting for. What we like. It's a non-caustic, user-friendly cleaner that's effective on tough stains. It's safe for various materials and your skin. If you're looking for a gentle yet powerful cleaner, this is perfect for you. What people say. It effortlessly removes stubborn stains, grime, and residue from a wide range of surfaces. From stainless steel equipment to glass carboys, PBW tackles even the toughest cleaning challenges. 45 years of coffee stains in it and now it's brand new. No scrubbing required and safe. Brewers use this stuff to clean their stainless steel equipment. Completely cleaned my first rig like it was new, it got really dirty learning how to temp without a temp gun or thermometer. Number 1. 5-star PBW Cleanser. This is 5-star's PBW Cleanser, a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. It's perfect for tackling tough messes without harsh chemicals. It's an alkaline, non-caustic formula, making it safe for the environment and for you. It's tough on dirt but kind to your skin and surfaces. This cleanser effectively removes even the most stubborn, caked-on organic soils. Say goodbye to difficult cleaning tasks. It's great for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Simply soak items and rinse for a sparkling clean result. It's safe for use on a wide variety of materials, including stainless steel, rubber, soft metals, and plastics. It's gentle enough for your skin, too. This product is an environmentally friendly alternative to harsh caustic cleaners. It's a responsible choice for your home and the planet. What we like. It's a non-caustic, user-friendly cleaner that's effective on tough stains. It's safe for various materials and your skin. If you need a large quantity of a powerful, yet gentle cleaner, this is a great option. What people say. Cleans up my stainless steel brew kettles, fermenters, and copper heat exchangers. If you use warm water and allow to soak, makes the job easier. Great cleaner for wine making containers. Cleans well without leaving soapy residue that can kill the taste of the wine. Use this on all equipment and so far it has been excellent. This is the best food grade quality product out there. I use it to clean all of my brewery items. Works well and comes out super clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.